How to log into your ChatGPT account on Android. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to logingiants. Now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open any web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. Head over to the very first site. So as you're looking forward on how to log into your ChatGPT account, first of all, you need to make sure that you have created an account. Once you have created a ChatGPT account, tap on Login. It will take you to this page. Enter your email address and your password. But if you have created your ChatGPT account through your Google account, tap on Continue with Google. Choose the account that is associated with your ChatGPT account. There you go, you have successfully been logged into your ChatGPT account. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to log into your ChatGPT account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.